Hello guys, this is Deribit Trading, and we carry on with our free Tradingview strategy, which you can easily adapt to Deribit Trading and start running your bot freely. Many of you send us lots of comments about the RSI VWAP strategy, and one of the main questions was whether this strategy can be applied to any other instruments or any other exchanges. And that's exactly what we wanted to show you in this particular video. All our strategies can be easily adapted to any other pair or any other exchange. It just depends how you will set it up and what inputs you're gonna use. So this time we're gonna apply exactly the same strategy to exactly the same pair, Ethereum Perpetual, but this time we're gonna do it on Deribit exchange. So to start with that, copy the code from our documentation, then go straight into your Tradingview, select Ethereum Perpetual contract for Deribit, select the 15 minutes time frame, and then just input the code into the Pine editor. Run the script, and you would be able to see that the inputs that we used for the FTX exchange is not ideal for the Ethereum Perpetual contract on Deribit. It shows much less profit with quite a huge max drawdown, and the percentage profitability is less than 50%. So what you will have to do to identify whether this strategy can be applicable to this particular exchange is to try and play with the settings. So open the settings, and as soon as you're going to start changing the inputs, you will see how the actual results are changing. So if I'm increasing the period, you can easily see that the results of the net profit, the max drawdown, and average trade, everything is changing. So let me now input the settings that we think are quite profitable for this particular pair, this time frame, and Deribit exchange in particular. Here you go. This will be our final result. So if you can see, all the parameters that we changed lead us to the nice conclusion that on this particular time frame, this particular exchange, and this pair, we would be able to achieve a very similar result of what we're actually getting on our RSI VWAP strategy from FTX exchange. Let me actually now show you how the actual bot is working. So for that, we'll go to our Deribit Trading platform and look at the marketplace. This is our bot, and you can clearly see that it is currently set for the 15-minute FTX exchange. The settings are exactly the same as in the documentation that we provided a while ago, and without any leverage, for just 11 trades, this bot was able to generate the profit of almost 7%. So this is just the beginning for it. If you want to see the details, just click on the show button and you will be able to see all the trades that were occurring, and what was the entry prices and the stop loss levels and the amount of portfolio we were using for that. After passing these 11 strategies, we're thinking that now it would be a good time to apply the leverage. At least 3x leverage will be nice to start with, and another 10 strategies to run it in the real time. So we're gonna see whether the leverage will give us a better boost in terms of the profits. Okay guys, that was it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned with our free Tradingview strategies, and best of luck with your trading.